Welcome to Scholarship Guidance Center. I am Anil Doshi sir and today's topic is 5th Scholarship Maths Problem Set 49 question number 4. If we take 4 rounds around a field that is 160 meter long and 90 meter wide, what is the distance we walk in kilometers? If we take 4 rounds around a field that is 160 meter long, now see first, field is 160 meter long, that means this is breadth and this is length. Okay, suppose 1 minute. See, field that is 160 meter long, suppose ABCD is a field and this is 160 meter long, that is length is 160 meter, then and 90 meter wide means breadth is 90 meter. Now I write here first length. Length is equals to 160 meter and breadth or width. Breadth or width, that is breadth is equals to 90 meter. Okay, then we take 4 rounds around the field that is 160 meter long and 90 meter wide. What is the distance we walk in kilometer? Now first we have to find the perimeter of this rectangle. This is a rectangle. Now perimeter of quadrilateral. This is known as quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. What is the formula for rectangle? That is 2 in bracket length plus breadth. Okay. Now see here 2 as it is. Our length is 160, breadth is 90, therefore I write here 90. Okay, now see again 2 is as it is, 160 plus 90, 16 plus 9 is 25, that is 250. Again 250 to the 250 to the 25 to the 50 and 10, that is 500 meter. But this is what in one round, that is perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD. म्हणजे तो एकदा जर फिरला A पासून B, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A, then he covers a distance of 500 meter. But how many rounds are there? There are 4 rounds. 4 rounds. Okay, that means in 4 rounds. In 4 rounds, distance covered is equals to 4 multiplied by 500, that is 5 4 the 20 and ये ऊपर का 2 0, that is 2000 meter. But we know that here 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Then 2 kilometer is equals to how much? 2 kilometer is equals to 2000 meter. And therefore here 2000 means how many kilometer? Now see, if I convert this 2000 into kilometer, that is 2000 divided by 1000. 0 0 0 0 0 0 cut, that is 2 kilometer. Okay, and therefore your last answer is the distance we walk in kilometers is 2 kilometer. That is your last answer. Sanju completes 12 rounds around a square park every day. If one side of park is 120 meter, find out in kilometers and meters the distance that Sanju covers daily. Now you can see your textbook page number 30. Okay. Now see a square park having side 120 meter. Okay. Sanju completes 12 rounds. First we have to find out perimeter of this square park. Okay. Perimeter of square park. I write here perimeter. Perimeter of square formula is 4 multiplied by side. and therefore here 4 multiplied by side is 120, and now you know 12 4 is 48, that is 480 meter. Okay, 480 meter, that is what the perimeter of this square part. Okay, now Sanju completes 12 rounds. Now see, this is one round. Okay, now in 12 rounds Sanju cover distance cover distance is equals to 12 multiplied by 480, because in one round he completes 480 meter. In 12 rounds 12 multiplied by 480, I see here I multiply this 480 by 12. Okay, पहिला 0 आहे तसं ठेवूया, 0 remove that 0. Now see 12 8 जा, or very easy, 2 0s are 0, 2 8 are 16, 1 carry, 2 4 are 8 plus 1 9, that is 960. Here it is 1 cross or 0, 1 0s are 0, 1 8s are 8, and 1 4s are 4. Now your answer is 0, 6, 8 to the 16 plus 1 17, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5. That means 12 multiplied by 480 is 5760 meter. That much distance is covered by Sanju. Now this is in meter. Okay, now we have to find out this distance in kilometer. Now see in kilometer, in kilometers, that means 5760 divided by 1000, because whenever meter is converted into kilometer, we can divide it by 1000. Whenever divided by 1000, we go 3 decimal points towards left. माता इथे आहे, इधर से इधर जाना है 1 2 and 3, that means 5.760 किलोमीटर. देखो क्या करना है, we have to go 3 decimal points towards left, इधर से इधर 1 2 and 3, that means 5.760 kilometer, or we can write 5760 meter. Okay, that much of distance covered by Sanju. The length of rectangular plot of land is 50 meter and its width is 30 meter. A triple fence has to be put along its edges. If the wire costs 60 rupees per meter, what will be the total cost of the wire needed for fence? Plot is a rectangular plot having length is equals to 50 meter and breadth is equals to 30 meter. First we have to find out perimeter of this rectangle. Now see perimeter of rectangle, I write here rectangle. Formula for perimeter of rectangle is, we know that formula, 2 in bracket L plus B, 2 in bracket L plus B, that is the formula for perimeter of rectangle, 2 in bracket, this is also in your book, L plus B. Now see 2 in bracket, length is 50 and breadth is 30, that is 50 plus 30, I write length 50, breadth 30, 50 plus 30, that is equals to 2 in bracket 5 plus 3 8, 0 80. Okay, now 80 to the 160 meter, that is what perimeter of this rectangle. Okay, now a triple fence has to be put along its edges. Triple fence means 3 rounds. Okay, I write here for triple fence 160 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3। अगर इधर 3 की जगह 4 रहता था तो 160 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, डबल मीन्स 160 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2। हियर इज ट्रिपल, therefore 160 3 जा 16, 3 जा 48, table of 16, that is 480 meter, that is the length of wire. Okay, now if the wire costs 60 rupees per meter, okay, 1 meter is equals to how many? 60 rupees, rupees 60. This is the sign of rupees, remember. Okay, now for 480 meter, 480 meter, your cost is 480 multiply by 60. Okay, now here 0 0 as it is, right? 0 0 as it is. 6 8 जा 48, 4 carry, and 6 4 जा 24, 24 plus 4 25, 26, 27, 28, 28. Okay, and therefore your last answer is, this is 28, I write here 28 800, that means 28,800, and therefore your last answer is, what will be the total cost of the wire? Therefore the total cost of, ये 28 नहीं है, total cost of the wire, total cost of the wire needed, means जो वायर चाहिए, total cost of the wire needed for the fence, is equals to rupees 28,800. Okay, this is your what? Last answer. This is your last answer. Total cost of the wire needed for fence is equals to rupees 28,800. That is your last answer. 7. A game requires its players to run around a square playground. Each side of playground is 20 meter long. Now it is a square playground, remember. One player took 5 rounds around the playground. How many meters did he run altogether? Now see, a game requires its players to run around a square playground. Each side of playground is 20 meter long. One player took 5 rounds around the playground. How many meters did run altogether? Okay, now see that playground is a square shaped playground. Question number 7. Okay, now I draw square. Okay, first, what is the side of playground? Side of playground is 20 meter. First way to find out perimeter of square, or that playground. Perimeter of playground is 4 multiplied by side, because perimeter of square is 4 into side, that is 4 multiplied by, our side is 20 meter, 24 is 80 meter. Okay, 80 meter, that is the perimeter of square. Okay, one player took 5 rounds. Okay, this is in 1 round. Now in 5 rounds, how many distance cover? 5 multiplied by 80, 5 multiplied by 80, 5 8 ja 40 and 1 0, that is 400 meter. Okay, how many meters did he run altogether? Therefore he ran 400 meter. How many meter? 400 meter, because in 1 round 80 meter, and in 5 rounds 80 5 8 5 40, that is 400 meter. Very easy.
4 rounds of wire fence have to be put around the field. If the field is 60 meter long and 40 meter wide, how much wire will be needed?
Now see, 4 rounds of wire fence have to be put around a field. If the field is 60 meter long, that means length of field, I write here first, length is equals to 60 meter, and breadth is given, breadth breadth is equals to how much? That is 40 meter. Now first we have to find perimeter. Okay, perimeter is equals to, perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 in bracket length plus breadth. Now here 2 as it is, length is 60, breadth is 40, that means 2 as it is, 6 plus 4 10, that is 100. Now 100 to the, that is 200 meter, that is the perimeter of that ground. Okay, field. Now 40 meter wide, how much wire will be needed? 4 rounds. Okay, this is for first round. Now for 4 round, 4 multiply by 200, because for one round 200 meter wire is needed. 2 4 the 8, that is 800 meter, and therefore your answer is 800 meter wire will be needed. Okay, how much wire will be needed? 800 meter wire will be needed.